The best parts about being here in Thailand is checking out the markets. Right now I'm walking through the night market here in Hua Hin. The sights, the sounds, the smells, everything is just so vibrant, and this is classic Thailand.
Okay, so we're here at the first morning of the orientation, and I'm going to take you through the intro presentation.
This morning, I am going to quickly do some housekeeping things. Then it might be other alphabets in Thai that have
So today is Muay Thai Day. Muay Thai is the national sport of Thailand. It's similar to kickboxing, so I came in the gym here just to get a little prepared before the class. But yeah, expect it to be a really good time. It's going to be outside, so it should be a bit hot, but from the pictures and videos I've seen, it looks like we get a chance to get in the ring, so stay tuned. Now we are at the temple, the Buddhist temple, and we're going to be sitting in on a session with a real monk. So we're going to practice some meditation and learn some of the typical Buddhist practices.
Mindfulness is the systematic process of gradual purification which requires patience, persistence, and dedication.
Alright guys, so this is going to be really fun. Here I am at the market. Today we're going to be buying ingredients for our cooking class tomorrow. We will be making a Thai papaya salad. So this is going to be my first experience buying Thai ingredients. Here we go. Just finished day 3 of the orientation, and it's given me time to reflect on why I'm teaching abroad and why I decided to go through the job placement program. This is actually my 4th time teaching abroad, so I have the experience. I've gone through the process of searching for a teaching position, interviewing, getting hired, working as a teacher. I've done it all 3 times before, but you know, coming into it this time around, I wanted to lighten the load and take the pressure off of myself in searching for a position and put it in the hands of a professional team that knew exactly how to find the right position that fits my needs, fits my preferences. And that's exactly what I'm getting out of this program. Going through the orientation, we're getting so much knowledge about Thailand and the culture and the workplace atmosphere, getting visas, renewing our contract if we are happy here. There's just so much information that we're getting in the orientation. We feel really supported. I feel really supported. And then there's the job placement side of things, where I've been working so closely with an amazing job coordinator, a placement coordinator, and she has listened to me. She's listened to my needs, to the type of position that I'm looking for, the age group that I'd like to work with, the area in the country that I'd like to be in, and she's looked for positions for me based on those preferences, and I feel like I'm in good hands. I know I'm in good hands. So that's why I did this. You know, that's why I chose to do the job placement. And if I could do it, having taught abroad 3 times before, and just wanting to have an easier path to getting hired, then anyone can do it, especially somebody brand new coming into this. So that's just a reflection, you know, halfway through orientation week on why this was the right move. So now we're about to enter our Thai cooking class. Yesterday we purchased our ingredients, and then today we get a chance to make our first Thai dish together, and it's going to be a Thai papaya salad.
So I'm gonna try like a small one. So you can pick the chili and then garlic. Up to you. Garlic because it's too small, we're not peel. You can, and then put your hand like this to protect something.
Oh, so more that way.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
You'll find it in quite a lot of Thai cuisine, as there's a lot of seafood involved in Thai cuisine. So we stir fry those ingredients until they start to be vegetarian option there. And of course, when you do cook your own, or if you plate up, over here in the pans with the half moon cups in them, she'll shushle the batter around to make it nice and even and spread through for the little half moon cups.
And then you put some sweet
Sugar?
sugar.
Okay, here with Lena, one of the ITA alumni. And Lena, what is your favorite part, or what has been your favorite part of orientation week so far?
So I think like when I first got here, like before I'd come, I felt like kind of like alone. I was like, I don't really know, like, are other people doing this? Like, what a strange thing to do. And then I showed up here and there's so many people and everyone's just like so wonderful and so nice. And I just felt like very like at calm, like at peace and calm, just like knowing that this is what we're doing and these are the people who are also doing this, and there's just like a sense of togetherness.
Nice. Do you have a favorite activity that we've done so far? Because we've done
I
a lot
really
this
enjoyed
week.
Muay Thai.
Muay Thai.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, it was really cool.
First time doing that?
Yeah, I did martial arts growing up, but never Muay Thai, so that was really cool.
So one of the biggest questions that many people have is, am I really gonna get placed? That's a great question, and I'm happy to say that I have a great answer, and that is yes. You definitely will. You have nothing to worry about. The way the whole process works is ITA works with a partner in the country. So here in Thailand, I've been going through the whole entire process with ITA's partner even before I arrived. What they did early on was build my teacher profile. So the teacher profile consisted of my photo, my resume, an introduction video, and that's what they used to send over to employers to set up eventual interviews. The types of employers that you will interview with will be school agencies, and these school agencies work with hundreds and hundreds of public schools and private schools here throughout Thailand. So based on your profile and your preferences, that's how the matching will happen between you and the agency. The interview will get set up, you'll go on your interview, you'll do well on your interview. ITA's partner does a really great job of getting you prepared for it by providing sample questions that you can practice with. You could even practice with your placement coordinator. And then after you do your interview, then you move on to the demo lesson stage most of the time. Sometimes you don't have to do a demo lesson. But then once that's done, the school's happy, you're happy, then the contract signing can begin. And then you will get underway with the steps to working at your school. But this could happen for some people before they even arrive in the country. So the partner lets you know early on that half of teachers get placed before going, half get placed after arriving. But regardless, placement definitely will happen. Another common question that many people have is, how will I find housing? Nothing to worry about there. ITA's partner also has you fully covered. So the way that it works is, once you get your placement, the partner has relationships with local landlords or apartment buildings. So they will let you know about 1 or 2 apartment buildings that are nearby the school that you've been placed in. And you'll be able to see the pictures, you'll see what the amenities are, and you'll see exactly what the rent is. If you're happy with it, then you can sign a contract. It would be sight unseen, but again, you'll be able to see pictures of it. And then you'll arrive at your new apartment when you leave your orientation and then head over to your placement. Sarah, can you tell us, why did you choose to add the job placement program, since you could have done your TEFL course by itself?
Well, I started the TEFL course this past summer, and when I found out more information that there was a placement course over in Asia, I was so excited.
I love the structure that it provides along with the in-country support.
Okay, here we are on the final day of orientation, day number 5, and this is our final activity. We are now at the beach and we're having a beach dinner. So it's been a great week, and here we are just wrapping up, and welcome to Hua Hin Beach.